How to add mobile number in Microsoft Teams profile. Want your colleagues to reach you easily? Here's how to add your mobile number to your Microsoft Teams profile. So first and foremost, go ahead and open Teams and then go ahead and click on your profile at the top right and then select view your profile and that will take you here. So from here, head over into the contacts tab and then select manage my contact information in Teams and that will take you into this section. So from here, you can go ahead and set this to show to be able to display your number on your profile. And that is how to add mobile number in Microsoft Teams profile.